Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, last class we discussed the derivation of prove that geometrically cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y. We proved cos x, cos y, okay, minus sin x, sin y. Already proved. Okay, and this is very important, compulsory asked in the exam for 6 marks question. This geometrical proof. By knowing this formula, now we can take the formula cos of x minus y. For that we are using this formula cos of x minus y. We can calculate. See, cos of x minus y, we can write cos of x plus of minus y. Is it okay? We can write like this. See, plus into minus, what we can get is minus. Okay, but cos of x minus y na ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. cos of x plus of minus y ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Plus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus, the same. Why we are using addition plus? Because we have the formula of cos of x plus 1. Cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. We have to use that formula here. Okay, we can write this one as cos of x, okay, into cos of y. But our y is what here? Minus y. Therefore, we are writing cos of minus y. Do you understand? Cos of x plus y, both are plus. That's why we are writing as it is. But now here it is minus y. We are writing. Next, see, we have the formula cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y, but our y is minus 1. Okay, and also we know that trigonometric ratios of minus theta in terms of theta, that is sin minus theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Okay, therefore naturally sin of minus 1 is minus sin y. Okay, and also we know that cos of minus theta, we have the formula cos theta, and cos of minus 1 is plus cos y. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಬದಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ತೊಗೊಂಡೇವಿ? y ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಬದಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ y. ಕಾಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್. therefore we are writing this one as what? Cos of x cos of y minus sin x into sin minus theta is minus sin y. Okay, means we can write this one as cos x cos y minus into minus plus sin x sin y is cos of x minus y. This is the formula. By using the formula cos of x plus y, we calculated cos of x minus y. What is the value of what is the formula of cos of x plus y? Cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. And by using this we proved that is cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. And we can easily remember. See, if it is plus, we will get here minus. If it is minus, here we will get plus. And see, cos terms one side, sin terms another side. Okay, in this way we can easily remember. Did you understand? Okay, next. Just I will give important note. By knowing that note, we can calculate next formulas. Just take note. First, sin pi by 2 minus 6. Okay, sin pi by 2 minus 6. See, sin pi by 2 means 90. 90 minus 6. And see, 90 means it is a multiplication of 1, sin 1 into 90. Means it is a complementary. For complementary, we know that sin is cos is sin, tan is cot is tan, sec is cosec, cosec is sec. Okay. Therefore, sin become what it is cos. You can write it is cos x. Already I explained everything in the previous class. And we are using ASTC rule. The sign 90 minus theta lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Therefore, it is we can write plus cos x. Therefore, remember that sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. Instead of theta, we are using here x. Notice sin pi by 2 minus x and now we will cos x. The next second. Cos pi by 2 minus 6. Cos pi by 2 minus 6. Means exactly same cos 1 into 90 minus 6. And again it is complementary. Cos become sin. Okay, sin x. But for sin, is it positive or negative? We have to use ASTC rule. Again it is in first quadrant all are positive. Therefore, please remember that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Please you have to remember compulsory. Next, third one. Sin pi by 2 plus x. Okay. And again, as you know that it is a complementary, sin become cos x. But for sin, is it positive or negative? We have to verify. 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sin it is. Second quadrant sin positive, therefore it is plus cos x. Next, fourth. Okay. Cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay. And complementary, therefore cos become what it is sin. And think for is it positive or negative? Cos. Okay, lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos. Cos is negative, therefore it is minus sin x. Please remember these formulas. Okay, by knowing these formulas, now I will check. Next one. Prove that sin of x plus y. Prove that sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Prove that sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, search. Okay, sin of x plus y. See, we have the formula just now we calculated. Sin of x plus y or sin x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus 6. Sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 6. Therefore, we have to use that the same formula cos pi by 2. Instead of x, what is given here? X plus y minus of x plus y. Cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. Why we are using cos? Because we have the formula of cos. That one we are applying easily. In cos cos formula gottadalli, sin adu gottilla. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇದರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡವಿ cos ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? cos 90 minus theta ನ sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಬದಲು ಏನಿದೆ x plus y ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x plus y ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Next, we can write this one is also in the form of cos of pi by 2 minus x minus 1. And we can also write this one as combination of cos pi by 2 minus x 1 angle, because we have the formula plus minus 1. Did you understand? No, pi by 2 minus x there apply one formula ಮತ್ತು minus y one ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ minus y of pi by 2 minus x minus y. Same form we will get. But again it is in the form of cos of x plus y. Whatever x is what we are, this whole thing we consider as x. This is y. And we have the formula cos of x plus y formula. What cos of x plus y formula is what? Cos of x plus y formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. We have the formula. Okay, that one we are applying here. Means we have to write this one as cos of x. But what is our x? Pi by 2 minus x. Cos y. Correct? Cos y. But our y is minus y. Next in between minus sin x. What is our x here? Pi by 2 minus x into sin minus y. Do you understand? Then we will get cos pi by 2 minus x. Just now I calculate. Cos pi by 2 minus x is what? Sin x. And cos minus y is cos y. Minus sin pi by 2 minus x cos x. Okay. Sin minus y minus sin y. Okay. Means we will get this sin x cos y minus into minus plus cos x sin y. In this way we can prove sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. Means we prove sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Similarly, we can prove sin of x minus y. See, sin of x minus y we can take. And how to write this one as sin of x plus, because we know the formula of plus, that's why we are writing plus into angle is minus 4. Plus into minus, again whatever it is minus. Okay, formula applied. Sin of x plus y, this is x, this is y, in between plus sign. We have the formula. Sin of x cos y, but our y is what? Minus plus cos x sin of minus 1. Okay, means we can write sin x. And we know that cos minus y is cos 1 plus, next, plus cos x, sin minus y is minus sin 1, because already I given formula. Next, this is of the form sin x cos y plus into minus minus cos x sin y. This is the formula of sin of x minus y. This is the formula of sin of x minus 1. Okay, I hope understand everyone. Next, see, there are 4 formulas we calculated. First one, cos of x plus y. Please remember that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. By using this we prove another one, cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Next, by using these two, now we proved another one, sin of x plus y sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, next another one, sin of x minus y. We proved sin of x minus y sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, These are the important formula we have to remember compulsory. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ನೋಡಿ cos of x plus y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನೋಡಿ cos ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, sin ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ. cos x cos y sin x sin y. ಈಸಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. sin ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಿಕೋ, sin ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ sin cos. ನೋಡಿ sin cos ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ cos sin. sin x cos y cos x sin y. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ಸೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸು ಸೈನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.